You will open a gift? Let's go! Let's go! This is the exciting part, ang pag-open ng gift ni Atalia ng iya first birthday. So, i-open na natin kay excited na gift ako. So, bali, tanan ni nga dia sulod is iya mga gift. Gagawas natin tanan. Hindi ang pinakadakong nga gift ni Atalia. This one. Ay, dito na ganyan daw. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. May mga small yan na gift. This one. Ito nga na. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hi! Kuha na niya na sa 11. May small body di ka nila na yun. 12. Ba't hindi kayo mo kwarto? 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 22 plus adding a small. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, tapos 27, tanan. Tapos may napaya ampaw na upat. 8, 9, 30, 31 tanan. Wow, kadamo. So, i-unbox na natin tan. Itong nalagin open na day. Let's start with the small plus 2 biggest. First na i-open. So, nakikita ko niya gawas. Ano nga reload? Chart. Nala, what's this? May ba niya Atalia? Cute. Para rin ito magamit. Pan skincare ko. May nakasurat. So, thank you for this one. Next, ading same hero na upat. Mga cute. Open. Natalia, come here. Open. Open. Come here, dali na. Dali, come. So, we have here cute na kimpit. Tapos butok. Nila niya butok. Cutie. Thank you. Ouch! Next, liwat may daliwat kimpit gihapon. Cute. Ibang alot na design na kimpit. Wow, tapos may napasan Rio. Again, so many butok. You want milk? Tapos, butok again. Color violet. Thank you. Sabihin ko na kayo masakit. Stapler. So, adiliwat. Alam, mga cute. Dam-dam mo na tiya kimpit. Another kimpit. And Sanrio. Thank you. Adil last. Okay, mga butok liwat natin. Butok may iba design. May kimpit kaya piya. Yo. Thank you. Wow, you like that, Atalia? So first, ini-adi ako ng ganito. This is from aray na kasurat. So, open na natin. Talia, let's open the lid. Sige, the like out. Nice! May white gift. Talia, see this one! Wow! May danay ko cart. Shopping cart na Hello Kitty and may day of wipes. So, wow, thank you so much. Next is this. Ano na ito harani? Oh, may headband. Malaking piece. Tapos mga botok. And the last one is this one. Mga toys. So, aman sa lalo. Thank you. Next. Pwede work up nakasulat ng araw. Ano sa iya? Paper bag. Dilitan ko kung case. Pwede pa magamit. Wow! Ay, perfect! Mahusay ko, Adi. Thank you. Next, this one. Ma-open na yan. So, probably this is a toy. Toys, many toys. Ay, kuha niya. Ano to ba't sa mula yan naging susugad? Ay, maram na. Bowling. Bowling ya, bowling. Thank you. And the next. Ang kasulod ko, Rumi. Ano yun niya? Ay, cutie pie. Sabitan niya di, nahulog. Cute. Open. Cute. Thank you. Pero open na rin natin. So, din siya, color pinky. Ay, iba-iba. Di rin ako Rumi. Di Hello Kitty. Pearl. Cutie. Ay, ini. Ano ini? Ano mag-cinnamoroll? Haha, cute. Alin last? Kala ko Kuromi. Kaya Kuromi mataat. So, adi gihap cinnamoroll na color white. Yan, green. Di mga cute. So, adi yan. Super cute. Thank you. This is from Auntie Gemma. Open na natin. Kaya di mga kimpit giyapon. Kimpit yan, bato. Tapos, ano yung pado or dress? Dress. This one. Thank you, Auntie. Next, this one. This is from, nakasulat, happy birthday, our dearest Atalia. May God always guide you in always. From Tita Rica. Cute. Hindi, open natin. Cute. Socks. Tapos, duwera. Iba-iba nga design. Wow, cute. Thank you, Tita. Tita Rica. Next. This is from wala ka pa nakasulat. So, open na to. Tumbler. Ba? Ay, okay. Ay, perfect. May tumbler ni Atalia. Thank you. This one. Cute. Open na to. Ay, cute. This is, sleeper. Super cute. Wait. Thank you. Sana may Atalia 27 size. Oh, I think dire pa. Next. This one. Ay, may nakasulat. To Atalia Scarlett from Ninong Clifford. Oh! So, may yung white. And then, pajama shirt. Thank you, Ninong. Next. Uy, napara na. May doon nakasulat niya di. Sure. Sige, open na lang natin. Hala, cute. White giyap. Ay, whatever. From whatever. Oh. Dress. Fairy. Tapos, may the wipes. Wow, many wipes. Perfect. Oh, thank you. Milk. Open. Wow. This is from Putad. Open. Zip-lock ang person. Hala, cutie. Bonggesh. Hamot. Thank you po, Tad. Thank you, Tita Judy. is from Ate Amara. Ay, may daya short tas ako. So, turn no short and bado t-shirt. Thank you. Ati na next. Hindi kayo rin may nakasulat. Bigla. Perfect. So, pwede yung magsulat sa likod. Thank you. Pwede mo nandun nakasulat. The next. From Ninang Riza and Tito Jan. Happy first birthday, Atalia, to Atalia Scarlett. Then, one and two. Uy, from Shein. It's opened. Ay, wow, kabonggosh. Very shawless. Husay. Open natin sa ay, wow, kahusay man ini. Thank you, Ninang Raisa, Tito John. The next. From, muray nakasulat. Toys. Ayun, may daily ref. Puro ka. Tapos, ay, sleeper. Cute. Wow. Bagat Crocs. Wow, perfect. Thank you so much. Buti na lang matatapos na. Okay, next, liwat. This is from... Wait lang, nahulog. Nahulog. Naka-sticky note. Okay, this is from happy first birthday, baby Scarlett. Love, Tito Nong Christian and Tita Nang Rachel. Oh. This. Ah, cute. Look well, perfect. Thank you. Okay, next is one from Robinson's Department Store. Open. Anay, this is familiar. It's from Ninang Alison. Ooh. What is this? Wow, may dapahiyawan. Cutter and then kutsara. May niya kutsara. Tapos, white. May dayot two white. Wow, thank you, Ninay. And then this one. Ay, boss. Akari. This puncher. Or, sunod lang yan. Tapos, sulod. Kung tuod. Let's see. Sabay na naman kita mas scam. Na, kung tuod good man, pero bagat sugal. Oh, tuod. I do not, ay, may nakasurat. From Mama ng Jikay and Tito Jonas. So, iba, naka-akali. Bawing-bawi. Wow, thank you. Next, this one. Ooh. Cute. This is cute. Wait lang, may nakasulat to. Awaray. And white. Wow. Thank you so much. Cute. Thank you. Last two. This one and the biggest one. Excited na ako to be chart. Sure, already open. Okay, waray man nakasulat. Uy, ang big. Wow, what's this? Wow, cute. na last but not the least. Okay, let's open. Oh, mini ref? Sure. Mini ref? Minute literal unboxing. Tadan! Wow! May nanayakuan. Ang tawag ini? Broom broom! Atalya! What's this? Thank you so much! This is from Mama Lu. Thank you. Atalya, come here, dali. Broom broom broom. Broom broom broom. Broom broom broom. Broom broom. Broom. Broom, broom, broom. What's that? Nasa Ogenia. Wow. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for the gift and love you gave to my baby Atalia. Thank you so much. Say bye-bye. Bye first.